Have you ever wondered why brother machines have different bobbin cases? The grey bobbin case is designed for decorative bobbin work, while the standard and embroidery bobbin cases each have their own tension setting to suit the type of thread being used in the bobbin case. To access the bobbin case, first remove the plastic bobbin cover. See the ridge here? Place your finger along the inside edge of the grey L-shaped needle plate cover and gently pull the plate towards you. This releases the cover, allowing you access to the bobbin case. Using two fingers, grip the front of the bobbin case and gently tilt it upwards, and the bobbin case should lift out easily. Note the white arrow on the bobbin case and the white markings inside the machine. This side goes into the machine first. By holding the front edge, tilt the bobbin case and lower it into position, lining up the two markings. Make sure the bobbin case sits flat. A small amount of rotation movement is normal. To replace the grey L-shaped needle plate cover, place it flat over the opening and position it slightly forward towards you so it sits in the front ridge. Once it's flat and correctly positioned, gently push it backwards until it clicks securely into place. To put the bobbin cover in, put the left side in first and simply push down into place. Some machines come with two different needle plates. The single hole needle plate is designed for straight stitch only, while the needle plate with the wider opening allows for zigzag stitching and embroidery. One important note, if you remove or change the needle plate for cleaning, it must be fitted back onto the machine before the bobbin case is inserted. Thanks for watching. This video has been made by Perth Sewing Centre and narrated by Lisa. Bye for now.